Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Steinmeier, and I'm here to talk about Lab 1.2, our second lab for medical detectives. Okay, our essential question is, what can patient signs and symptoms tell us about the human body? What can Okay, so you are going to design your own lab, kind of like we did a vital sign lab last time, except you're going to see if some activity or calming technique affected one of the vitals. So your research question should start with does, and then you're going to have a space here, and you're going to fill in your activity or calming technique. Okay, does that, and then you're going to either say raise or lower, and you're only going to pick one of those. Does short guided meditation reduce heart rate is an example. Do not use that one, but I could do something like, does short guided meditation reduce or lower heart rate? And so then your last part is going to be your vital sign. And then that's your question. And you can also have reduce, because I said that. That's what I used in my example. Okay. Your hypothesis then is your activity or calming technique. So you can fill that in. Okay, your activity or calming technique will, everybody writes will, and then you write from here, raise or lower, raise or lower, pick one, and then your vital sign that you chose. Now, remember, you guys are going to be much more limited on vital signs that you can do, because the main ones we could do were respiratory rate or your pulse. Now, if you have a thermometer at home when you're running this activity, then you are welcome to use your temperature. Or if you happen to have a blood pressure cuff, you can use the blood pressure cuffs. Okay, so our independent variable is whatever your activity was from here. So you're going to fill it in with your activity. And your dependent variable is your vital sign. Okay, safety. No eating or drinking during your exercise. It cannot be does drinking 3 glasses of water quickly. It has to be something, your activity needs to be something more like push-ups, jumping jacks, running, burpees. We've had all sorts of things like that. Calming techniques can be some sort of meditation, a calming moment, anything like that. I had someone who listened to classical music one time. Anything that you think will calm you down. Okay, and then our control is we're going to take our vital sign before exercise. Okay, so then you're going to go over here to your second page. Okay, you're once again by person 2. Sadly, we can't do these as group assignments in class. Okay, so then person 1. This is your vital sign before you do anything. So you're going to do whatever your vital sign is, then you complete your calming technique or activity, and then you take your vital sign immediately after. Okay? Then you're going to do another trial. Okay? And then to get your average over here, you do trial 1 plus trial 2 divided by 2. And so you'll do an average of your vitals before and an average of your vitals after. Between your trial 1 and trial 2, try and wait 5 or 10 minutes for your vital to go back to normal. And then you have your vital sign measured, okay? So what one did you use on the first page? What are you actually measuring? Needs to go here in this box. What are we doing? because that makes our graph make sense, what we're measuring. Okay, our conclusion then is, was your hypothesis sorted? So this would be yes or no. And then why or why not? Okay, in this part, it's really okay to say, I did an error. I chose wrong. I didn't understand what would happen to that. For this why or why not, it's okay to admit that you're wrong. Also, it's okay to not have your hypothesis supported. That happens all the time in science and medicine. So you will not get in trouble for having no here. It just needs to be an honest answer. Your grade is, was this answer honest and supported by your data? And then why do you think it was like that, okay? It does not need to be that, yes, it was supported. You don't have to redo your lab. We're just figuring out, did your lab work? Was it something that actually made your vital sign raise or lower? Please send me an email or a message in Canvas if you have any questions. I'm so excited to hear about everybody's labs. I hope you have a great day. Bye.